Ginagawa namin, minomotivate namin yung sarili namin.
Kung magkaroon ng chance, mas maganda siyempre, hindi na kami dadaan ng wildcard. Iniiwasan namin yung matalo talaga dahil wala kaming chance. Siguradong wildcard kami pinatalo kami.
Hindi na rin bago sa amin itong ganitong situation kasi basketball to, minsan nasa taas, minsan nasa baba. Inaanda namin yung mind namin when it comes sa pagganong bagay.
But you really have to have a positive attitude given the situation. Gusto lang umiwas sa wildcard. Kasi pag natalo sila, sure wildcard yan. But, you know, they've said nga they've been through all sorts of adversity in the years that they've been together, these two guys, as well as the other teammates. Kung bumagsak sila sa wildcard, well, laban tayo sa wildcard, di ba?
Siyempre.
Di ba ganun lang yun
Wala ka na magagawa doon. Nandun ka na eh. So,
nandun ka na.
anong i-present sa'yo ng kapalaran?
Let the cards fall where they may, di ba? Yan ang sinasabi. And kung ito ang hand na bigay sa'yo, you play with it and you see what happens. Pero in this ball game so far, they're doing just enough to stay ahead. We're beginning the second quarter of action. And if they can grab this win, then mas maliwanag ng konti ang kanilang kinabukasan as far as reaching the quarterfinals is concerned. James Yap losing the defenders and ano mo ginawa eh?
Ano break fluid ang gamit?
Ewan ko ano doon. Pero he was able to lose the two defenders. Two big guys, Canaleta and Arwin Santos. Lumipad.
Lumipad din.
Canaleta gustong bumawi. Off the glass, he gets it.
Canaleta rather, it's the first field goal sa ating ball game.
So, field goals natin sa first quarter, hindi naman nagkakalayo. Lamang ng konti ang PJ Giants. So, lamang sila ng konti sa score din pagkatapos ng ating first quarter. Lanete to Enrico Villanueva with a smaller Doug Kramer on him. Turnaround jumper. Former teammates, of course. Ito si Marvin Cruz. No look to Canaleta. Thought he was gonna slam it, but instead, ginamit na lang niyang pambalanse yung backboard.
Mahirap naman pagka inlamdang pa niya yun eh, kasi nasa harap na si Chico Lanete.
And he made sure of that.
Mauna ang uso niya eh.
Tama yun. And rather than risk himself getting injured, ayun, in-easy layup na lang niya. Villanueva comes right back. And we're going back and forth in this game. Parang boxing match ito. Canaleta, hook shot. Wala yan. No second attempts for them dahil siya nga mag-isa doon. So si Nino Canaleta. Lanete. And he slams into Marvin Cruz.
Establishing defense at that time eh, no?
Well, you know, this guy Marvin Cruz may not be that big as far as stature is concerned, his height, pero very, very big heart, and he's able to take those charges for the team. Cruz. Canaleta. Kramer's asking for it, but Canaleta decides to take it. It's too strong. Rebound taken by James Yap.
Both teams opting to play all Filipino dito. James Yap!
All the way for the basket, and what can you say about James Yap on that play?
And that rivalry between James Yap and Arwin Santos that dates back to the UAP days. 10 points in the ball game para dito kay James Yap.
And you know, the way he pumped that basketball, diba? Malaking bagay yun, the way he can control it. And he got that scoop shot. Ito si Canaleta. And Arwin Santos wants to come right back against PJ Simon.
Mahirap tong matchup na to eh. Dahil mas matangkad si Arwin Santos, mas mataas tumalon.
And on that play, natawagan ng foul si Peter June Simon. James Yap, labas muna. Pasok si Kirby Raimundo. So one big gun for another for the Pure Foods TJ Giants. Canaleta. 10 seconds on the shot clock of Air 21. Canaleta takes the jumper. Bitin yan. And Canaleta has been taking shots. Hindi pumapasok. Simon all the way to the basket. Wala yan. Tapikan ng bola. Who will win? Ito si Simon. Challenging Steve.
Oh! That was Gabby Espinas.
Gabby Espinas.
Ayaw kalbo eh.
Oo nga. And Gabby Espinas. Sinabayan ni Gabby Espinas, pero yung mga kamay niya, hindi niya pinayungan eh. As we will see on this replay. Ayan o. Open eh.
Try to swat it away, you know.
Gave him enough space to take the shot. Ayun o. And chance for a three-point play para dito kay PJ Simon.
And he completes that, and PJ Simon has 5 points in the ball game.
At 10 na.
To,
double figure lead for Pure Foods, 36-26. Ito, good pass inside to Doug Kramer. Too strong on the reverse. And they were fighting to get it back. Pero Rico Villanueva controlled. Lanete up ahead to PJ Simon. He's feeling it. In and out ang kanyang three-point attempt. Raimundo loses it on the way up. Marvin Cruz had something to do with that.
Dapat nga hindi na binaba eh. Pag rebound, diretso na eh, no?
Follow up na agad sa taas.